lunch, okay? We had a very, very good buffet at Intercontinental Singapore, okay? And it didn't taste anything, but the food didn't taste anything because while I was eating, James beside me, you want to share? I told him, of course not. But if you want me, I cannot say no because never say no, okay? So I say yes to James all the time because I know there's always a purpose behind it. Because I know when he asks me to do something, it's because he wants me to become even more successful. Tama ba? The same way with all of you right now. So I say yes to James immediately. I never question him. I never doubt him. But the next thing I do is go to this one person, and this person I complain. Okay? Familiar? Okay? Yung pagkaharap mo yung leader mo, okay, yes, power. Tapos pagtalikod, maghahanap ka ng tao na, saan to siya? Uy, tama ba? So I turned to this person, his name is JD. You guys know JD? Yes. Sabi ko, JD, what if lang, sumakit yung tiyan ko? Okay, what if lang, tas hindi ako makaakit ng stage kasi masakit yung tiyan ko? Sabi ni JD, kung masakit yung tiyan mo, Faith, madaming CR. Pwede mong ilabas lahat. Okay, what if sumakit yung paa ko, hindi ako makalakad? What if lang? Valid ba na reason yun para hindi umakit ng stage na debrief? Sabi ni JD, kung sumakit yung paa mo, hindi ka makalakad, magpo-provide kami ng wheelchair para sa iyo. Okay. Meaning to say that this company, I tell you, it will help us turn into better people. Why? Because here, there's no room for excuses. Palakpakan natin sa sarili ko. You know, I'm really proud looking at all of us right now. I know that the past 2 to 3 days have not been easy. Tama ba? Especially sa mga nagstay sa Johor Bahru. Sino-sino yung mga nagstay sa Johor Bahru? Wow! Oh, halos lahat palakpakan ang Johor Bahru team. Okay? Meaning ko sa hindi ma-afford yung Singapore ng hotel. Okay? No, dili lalin, di ba? Kasi bababa ka ng bus, tapos immigration, tapos akala mo yun na yun, sa unahan, bababa ka ulit kasi may immigration na naman. Tama ba? Tapos hindi lang yun, kailangan may arrival card. Kada papasok ka may arrival card. Tapos hindi lang yun. Kung meron kang busmate, okay, na hindi marunong mag-fill out ng arrival card, tama ba? Pag nasapit yung isa, hindi ko, share ko lang, okay? But, so it's not easy, right? It's not easy, tama ba? But you are here, and that's what makes us champions in the cycle in Philippines today. So, I just want to share, before coming to this trip, you know, I have a son, and my son, every time I would ask him, what do you want to be when you grow up, okay? Because we have to prepare them as early as now, right? The last time when he was still small, he would say, I want to be a YouTuber, I want to be this and that, so many dreams. But today, every time I ask my son, what do you want to be when you grow up? Actually, nothing, because I will inherit your account anyway. That's the only thing. So kung inana na iyahang mindset, okay, I need to shape him, okay, as early as now. So this trip, I decided to bring him with me, okay? And so, days prior to this event, to this trip, I brought him to a shop where they sell suit. So, yes, suit, brand new, no? Brand new lahat. Yung tipong walang tanong-tanong kung magkano yung coat, magkano yung isang pares ng suit, okay, I'll get one. Magkano yung inner shirt, okay, I'll get half a dozen, no? Because we weigh, right? That's how it is when you're inside. No. Hindi yun yung point, okay? And then, after several minutes, mother and son came in. May pumasok dun sa shop. And they went inside, and the mother asked the salesman, sabi niya, "Sir, magkano ito?" Okay, and then the salesman said the price. And the mother was like, okay, saan yung mas mura dito? And then the salesman pointed to a cheaper pair of suit. And the mother was like, sige sir, kasi magsa-start na ng internship yung anak ko. Pag-iipunan ko to, babalikan ko to sir ha, after 1 month, give me 1 month. And it was so painful watching that moment. It was so painful. It was so painful because the son was right behind the mother. And the son was like, Ma, huwag mo nang pilitin. Ayaw na pugsa sa Bisaya. Ayaw na mag-rent na lang, mangita na lang, tagmaraton. And it was so painful. Why? Because this was my mother 8-9 years ago, right before we started doing Riway International. This was my mother, and I was the son behind the mother 8-9 years ago. That very simple moment, and it all went back. How life used to be so difficult right before Riway International came. And I wanted, ano yun, parang natempt ako na, tita, gusto mo bilhan ko ng suit yung anak mo. But of course, there was nothing I could do about it. Why am I saying this? Because I know that the past, not only the past 2 or 3 nights, but I believe that if you have been here inside Riway, I know that the past several months or the past several years, it's not easy. Tama ba? In fact, it's very hard. But the point is that I think we can all agree na kaya nating magtiis for a moment because we know that the glory of what's coming is bigger than our pains and struggles right now. Pwede bang palakpakan natin si Rachel? Which means to say that when John said earlier, now is not the time to get tired, now is not the time to complain. Kung merong nasangit, kung merong sumabit sa immigration, now is not the time to put all of our energy complaining and blaming other people. Kung nag-complain tayo, grabe ang tagal-tagal matapos ng event, ang haba-haba, yung iba nagmamadali umalis. You know what? Instead of looking at that, why not remind yourself that there is no other multi-level marketing company in the whole world right now that is willing to spend not 1 hour, willing to spend not 2 hours, willing to spend 6-10 hours straight just to make sure that every single star achiever goes up the stage and feels valued for all their hard work. Tama ba? So now is not the time to slow down. Now is not the time to complain because remember, the last time we were just praying, the last time we were just hoping, sana merong isang tao, sana merong isang kumpanya na tumanggap sa akin, na maniwala sa akin. Tama ba? Today, I don't know with you, but today, Riway International is our answered prayer. Because there is no other company in the whole world that is willing to invest this much on us, only Riway International. And so the next time, instead of complaining, the next time, instead of putting the blame on other people, instead of putting the blame on so other things, the next time, I will be grateful. And the next time, I will stay back inside Singapore Expo or Bangkok Expo. I will stay back up until 1 a.m., up until 2 a.m. Because this is the only company that is willing to do that. Once again, Riway International. So today I'm tasked to share. Tawalagin mo. You have to forgive me, no, because we just actually got out from the top leaders meeting. And the top leaders meeting, you know, we talked about so many things. But I want to share something with all of us. Inside the top leaders meeting, I was seated next to this guy named Sutyang. Sutyang is also from Diamond Galaxy. You guys know Sutyang? You guys know Sutyang? And so, he randomly showed a photo of his daughter. No? I saw the photo and I was like, hey, I'm not judging you, but your daughter looks quite very young for you. You get what I mean? Okay, ganun. Bata palagi kay mong daughter, tapos ikaw laga. So, anya, no. No, you have to understand, because I'm married late. Go, why? Is it because you did so many bad things in the past that you're afraid of karma in your marriage? But because that's how negative we are, no? Yeah, no. You have to understand, I grew up poor my whole life. And I know how it is to have parents or have a family, and we were always in lack. And so, 36 still single, 37 still not married, 38 still single. You know what? He came inside Riway at the age of 40-year-old. 40-year-old came inside Riway at the age of 40-year-old. And in 1 year in the business, he decided, now I can marry because I have a very good boss to follow, that is Mr. Limbo. So at the age of 41, he got married. Not just that, still, no, he was afraid of having children because again, he didn't want to have kids and have kids go through the same cycle of poverty and lack that he had. But because of how much he trusts Riway International, at the age of 42, the following year, decided to have kids. So today, Tan Sutyang has 2 kids, and if you ask him, it's all because he trusts Riway International. Meaning to say, he trusts that there is somebody else, there is something else that is willing to take care of him and his entire family. Nakasagot ka? Meaning to say that some people, just because they have that trust, some people, just because they have that amount of faith, they can create so much legacy. They can build families. Nakuha natin? They can create wealth. They can create so much money. They can build entire teams. Not necessarily because they're extraordinarily good, not because they're extraordinarily talented, but because they trust. My question to you now is, do you trust Riway? Yes. Do you trust Riway? Yes. Sure? Yes. Nag-encode na ka o para luggage ni mo? Yes. Patanaw daw eh, kisa na yung nag-encode o luggage na rin niya, okay? See? Wala akong ginaingon, you trust Riway. Unag, nag-encode na ba? Wala mag-ihapon, okay? Do you trust Riway? Yes. If I trust Riway, I will not buy not 1 cent. Minimum 2 cents. Tama ba? Why? Because kung ako, meron akong Riway luggage, paunsa na lang akong bana o asawa, nagkakidlay ang luggage, tapos ikaw nindot kaya imo ang luggage. Point is that, if you really trust Riway, if you have faith in this company, because the last time we were so poor, we were so much in lack, now good things have started to happen because of Riway. Stop being too calculative. Stop being too doubtful. Because from my experience and from my perspective, the people who grow the most inside this business, they are the people who trust the most. Riway International. So actually, nag-isod ko pa sa mga sa slides. Namang yung slides siya. But, okay. So now we are all here because we all want to kanang dili taganahan na magsige tagdagan-dagan lahi-lahi tagdireksyon. Tama ba? We all here because we want to align ourselves with that of Riway International. And so for the next coming slides, alright, I will be sharing with you why you should trust Riway even more, especially in the next coming 3 months. Because from what I have heard and listened to from the top leaders meeting, everything is laid out for the next 3 months so that Philippines can have more people earning money, so that Philippines can have more people leading bigger teams inside the business. Are you excited? Yes! Okay, so first is of course our leadership training seminar. So this quarter we will be having 5 or 6 leadership training seminar. Okay, so 29th of October it will be in Warsaw, Poland. So there's going to be one for the entire Europe market. Next, okay, is Hong Kong, be led by Celeste Chang. Next, okay, there's going to be one in Taipei. Next, one in Bangkok as well. So as you can see, do you guys observe something? Yes? Yes. Observe ninyo?
Yes.
Ha?
Different.
Nanay mga puti. Ha? Nanay mga puti. Okay. So, and this one is going to be in Manila on November 19. So, remember the guy I was telling you earlier, Tan Sutyang? Okay, he is going to be one of our speakers in Manila. And this guy you know, looking at all the speakers, sometimes some of these speakers, sometimes, no, I'm not saying all, but some of them, they don't even have anything to do with the market that they're assigned with. Nakuha natin. Some of these speakers have nothing to do, but you know, this is what I love the most about Reway International. Because Reway International, we have this culture of what we call borrowing strength. Meaning to say that because of how good and generous the company is, the leaders inside Reway, especially our topmost leaders, whenever the boss tells them, oh, you fly to here and talk, sometimes even when we don't have existing teams in that particular market, immediately we say yes. Why? It's because that's how the company has shown us. That's what the company has shown us ever since we started. And that is the heart of what? The heart of generosity. The heart of giving back. Pwede bang palakpakan natin sa Reway International? So excited. Tan Soo Kiang will be here. Rick from Taiwan will also be there. Of course, our very own. Without her, there would be no Reway Philippines right now. Our very own Diane Jemaam. Team Supreme Pegasus 9 with one ring! And speaker from Europe. So what I'm particularly excited about is that we all aim of somehow expanding our business abroad. Tama ba? Sino dito nangangarap na magkaroon ng ibang markets inside Reway business? Okay, wow! Thank you so much for those hands. Ang uban, wala talagang pangarap. I'll give you another chance. Sino dito ang nangangarap mag-expand sa ibang bansa? Wow! Okay. Yan yung sinasabi ni John, na if we can do it, taba, best the first time around, why wait for another chance? So, we have one speaker coming from Europe and I'm very, very excited because how to expand and how to reach other countries or how to reach other nations, we have to learn. Am I right? So this leadership training seminar, for people who are joining us for the first time, this is an event that is done once every quarter. And from the day that we started it 8-9 years ago, walang palya, even in the midst of the pandemic, Reway would always find a way to educate and train people like us. Palakpakan po natin si Reway. So, this one is, how to say yeah? Because for some people, you might say, another training, another leadership training seminar. You know what? I have one big regret inside this business. I have a regret. Okay, can you please tell the person next to you, don't be like Faith. Don't be like Faith. Okay, don't be like Faith. Kaya uban na do, dili gid sila following instructions, no? Kanang cooperate na lang yun, dili pagit mahimo. Pero gusto nila mahimong bilyonaryo. Gusto nila mahimong milyonaryo. Pero tubag lang o yes or no, dili nila mabuhat. Tama ba? Sige, I'll give you another chance because Reway is a company of many chances. Ingna imong tupad. Okay, don't be like Faith. Don't be like Faith. Thank you. Ang uban gahit yun guys. Okay. So, don't be like Faith. Why? Because the past 8 years, I have wasted so much time and I have wasted so much opportunity. Kanaganing trial and error. For the past 8 years, I have wasted so much time and energy doing trial and error in the business. What do I mean by this? We have the NDO, we have the leadership training seminar, and all of these things are actually what I see as a shortcut to success. Tama ba? Why? Because when the company says, don't do this, meaning to say, don't do it. Just don't do it. Pero, tungod kay mga Filipino man ta, so mga Pilipino, masyadong nagmamagaling. Tama ba? Sino dito katulad ko masyadong nagmamagaling? Kanang, sinabi na nga, wag kang mag-cross-lining, nag-cross-lining pa rin. Sinabi nang, wag mo tong gawin, ginawa pa din, okay? So for the past 8 years, I have wasted so much time and energy doing so many things na sinabi na ni Reway, wag, or sinabi na ni Reway, gawin mo to, pero ginawa pa din natin. End up today, I'm still at Team Supreme Pegasus 7. I'm still at Team Supreme Pegasus 7. Because I've seen other people, they don't look to their left, they don't look to the right, they just look straight ahead and do what Riway says. They start around the same time that I also started, and they are now Draco. Her name is Celestia. Because the difference, I waste so much time, trial and error, when in fact, everything is laid out for us to become successful inside this business. Okay, so are you excited for this leadership training seminar?
Yes!
Sure?
Yes!
Kaya mag-quota biya na karon. Is it okay? Kung tinood yun ka nga excited, okay? Kasi alam ko lahat ngayon may income. Tama ba? Sino dito nag-flash out kagabi? Char. Okay, si Jetta lang. Char. Okay. Asa si Jetta. So, the money that we earn, you know, you can earn all the money that you can this month and still be poor by the end of the month. You can earn all the amount that you can, that you possibly can, and still be poor by the end of the month. You agree?
Yes.
I have seen it a lot of times. I have seen people earning millions in a very short period of time and still they still go back to being poor. Sometimes even poorer. Why? Because it's never about the money that we earn. It's about what we do with the kind of money that we earn.
Yes.
And Riway would always tell us that the best investment is always back on our people. So leadership training seminar, confirm, everybody will earn this month. Tama ba? Why? Because the company is so generous, always looking for ways to help people earn money. Am I right? But the thing is that, what about next month? What about 2 months after? What about 3 months after? What about the next year, the following 2 years? So we have to be able to ask the right questions. And so this is my challenge to all of us. In fact, James is the one who set this one for the entire Riway Philippines. That the leadership training seminar, our target is no less than 8,000 people. Is it World Trade Center? World Trade Center. 8,000 people. Kaya?
Yes.
Kaya? Salig ng kaya ka. Kaya? Kaya. How? How? This particular trip, Riway Philippines, meaning people flying from the Philippines to Singapore, we are roughly around 800 people. 800, right? So 800, if each leader brings 10 people each, how much is that?
8,000.
Sure, ah? So is it something doable for all of us?
Yes.
800, bring 10 people each can. The money that you have right now, why not put aside something to throw to our people to help them as well achieve their own particular goals. Tama ba? Kasi ang kanang kwarta, huddonin mo pang pa-birthday, huddonin mo og pang-party, huddonin mo pagpa-renovate sa balay, ang imuhang pang-renovate, dili na mahuman. Kaya wala kang kag-generate og income. Tama ba? So why not we use the money that we earn to make sure that our business will actually be sustained in the next coming months. Alright, next. Okay, and one also in Kuala Lumpur. So that would be the leadership training seminar. Next. Okay, so that is November. And December, okay, is Pegasus Night and Team Supreme, of course, in Ningxia, China. So some people, I have nothing to do with it, Faith. See, some people, they think they have nothing to do with it and so they don't do anything about it. But if you think and if you dare today, that event will have something to do with me, then I welcome you to the next Pegasus Night in Ningxia, China. So on that same day, no, in the morning will be the top leaders meeting. And the qualification for Philippines is Team Supreme Pegasus 3 and above. Which means that our leader, for example, Raymond Tong, is automatically qualified for that top leaders meeting. Pwede mong palakpakan natin sa meeting. So that is for December. And next, okay, you know, the the LRN that we had last night is actually just a preparation for a bigger event that is coming, and that is our 18th gala. Okay, and that will be in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, alam niyo ba, 18th anniversary yan, and I was going through hotels around Impact, no, and as early as now, hotels around Impact, like Novotel, like Ibis, they're already full. They're already sold out as early as 3 months prior to the event. Meaning to say that some people, they put so much value in this, and I hope that we be able to do the same. The following day, January 11, okay, will be the top 50 of Freeway Philippines. And I am very sure that James has already communicated this with us a month ago. And we already know more or less who is qualifying. Tama ba? More or less. But the people who are on the bottom of the top 50, up to us to decide. Tama ba? Up to us to decide if we are going to let others overtake our place inside Freeway Philippines. So, this is the last one, right, JB? Last one. Okay, so to end my sharing, because there are two other more important speakers after me, to end my sharing, lately I have been going around, and this is what I have been sharing with my team, and I hope that to be able to share it with the rest of Freeway Philippines. I hope that this is something that will somehow unite the entire Philippines towards one goal. And that is that in the coming years, maybe really Freeway Philippines too can become #1 inside Freeway International. So last time, Jesus fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. Do you guys remember that story? Hindi ko magwali ha, share lang na ko. Jesus fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. And that time, Satan came to him and asked him, turn these stones into bread. And you know how Jesus responded. But before that, when Satan asked him to turn these stones into bread, in fact, it's not that harmful. It's not that harmful in the sense that when people are hungry, of course they would want to eat to survive and not die. Tama ba? And so when Jesus said, turn this bread into stone, it was something reasonable. It wasn't like asking him to do sin. But this is how Jesus responded. He said, man does not live by bread alone. Can you please stop the person next to you? Man does not live by bread alone. Which means that today, do you trust Freeway?
Yes.
Do you trust Freeway?
Yes.
You are more confident to build a family. You are more confident to chase that dream. You are more confident to follow your dreams. It's because you know you have a company that is like Freeway International. Tama ba?
Yes.
But see, sometimes malangay ang ato ang journey. Sometimes it would take us so much time before we realize our dreams. It's because a lot of us, many of us, are still in survival mode. Survival mode meaning to say we are still thinking about bread. We are still thinking about makakaon 3 times a day. We are still thinking about survival. We are still thinking about satisfying hunger. When in fact, Jesus already said, man does not live by bread alone. Which means to say that there are so many other things that we need in order to live a truly successful and fulfilling life. Today, I hope Freeway Philippines, I hope that we all work towards that one goal and one vision. It doesn't matter who. It doesn't have to be me. It doesn't necessarily have to be Dayan. It doesn't have to be Raymond To. Anyone. But I hope, syempre down the line, para ang matching bonus na ko, di ba? I hope that down the line, somebody can become the #1 even once in the whole of Freeway International. Anyone. But then again, I hope it's down the line para ang matching bonus. But the point is that we will never be able to achieve that if only we are still operating on survival mode. If we are still operating on survival instincts. If we are still operating on desperation. Sa Tagalog, we will never be able to achieve true success in life if hanggang ngayon, patay gutom pa din tayo. Pwede bang pakitapik yung katabi mo? Patay gutom ka ba?
Patay gutom ka ba? Patay gutom ba?
And I hope not. I hope not. Tama
Mario.
ba?
Mario.
I hope walang patay gutom dito. Tama ba? Nakarating ka ng Singapore, meaning hindi ka patay gutom. Meaning to say that we will always choose to do what is right in our business. No longer because we want to satisfy our hunger or our thirst. We will do what is right because we are thinking 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead. It's no longer just about whether or not we are able to feed our hunger physically. I hope that we don't let our comfort. What is comfort? Makakain lang ng 3 beses sa isang araw. May pambayad lang ng bahay, may pambayad lang ng sasakyan. I hope that you never let your comfort stop you from achieving your greatest destiny inside Midway International. To be the best person that you can be. Even just once in our lifetime. Can we do that, Midway Philippines? Today, every time we're tempted to act out of survival instinct or out of survival or out of desperation, today, realize that Midway International is already redefining success for Filipinos today. And that is why we have the 6 core values, tama ba? Because man does not live by bread alone. It's not just about the money that you earn, but we have to be loved and valued by our family. It's not just about that because we have to be able to think right. And to think right is, no matter how many times we fall, we always stand back up again.
Yeah.
And it's not just about that because we have social values. What does that mean? That inside your own bubble, inside your own circle, you are not somebody that people don't give value. You are somebody that people actually respect. Not just because of the money that you earn, because of how much value you add to the life of other people.
Yeah.
Not just that, ikalimang core value is what?
Spiritual growth.
Health, of course. And the 6th one is our spiritual values. At the end of the day, I told my team about this last night. At the end of the day, nobody will remember who earned the most RW inside you. At the end of the day, nobody will remember who drove the most Rolls Royce inside Midway. Would you agree? Yes. At the end of the day, what will people remember is how much good we have done in the lives of other people. That is what people will remember. That is what our families will remember. And so today, Midway Philippines, kahit ano pang team mo, doesn't really matter. Today, if you and I, we can work together in cherishing this business, in protecting this business, I tell you, kat mga incheck, wala na. Wala yan sila lahat sa galing ng mga Pilipino. Wala yan lahat. I tell you, we're talking about US market, Canada market, Australian market, South American market. Dapat Pilipino ang magbukas ng lahat ng market natin. Kaya ba? Hindi ko yan kaya mag-isa. Hindi yan kaya ng iisang team lang. Dapat tayong lahat tulungan. But then again, we will never be able to achieve that kung hanggang ngayon, hindi ka pa nakaka-move on sa pagiging kanang caveman. Today, you are a Midway person. And I hope that you don't exchange long-lasting success just because of bread. This ends my sharing for this afternoon. Thank you so much and